we'll talk about how you can give your small introduction to anyone. So let's start. Okay, so let me begin with my introduction. I am introduced as Varsha Thakur, and basically I am from Himachal Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have completed my master in computer. And if I talk about my family, so we are four members in my family: me, my husband, and my two kids. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to listen music, reading books, and learn every day. And as far as my aim is concerned, to become a good speaker. That's all about my introduction. Thank you, and tell me, write down in comment how did you find introduction. Thank you.